Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. Here with a quick review, okay? Bobbin clamps. I was pre-winding my bobbins and I was stacking them in like a little container like this for my new brother sewing machine, the PQ 1500 SL. But before that, even on my confidence quilter, I would pre-wind my bobbins like a lot of people do. And I would find that the bobbins would unwind, they would get tangled up, and it would create a mess. So I was like, man, what do? I need something. So I'm thumbing through Amazon, as I may or may not do, because someone standing here may be looking at me. Why'd you focus on me? We're watching these, okay? So I found these bobbin clamps. These things are amazing. I can't believe I've been doing this. Look, I'm talking like I've been doing this for years. I've been doing this for 2 years and I haven't known about it. But look, these things are great. I love them. All right. So I'll pre-wind a bobbin, right? And then sometimes the bobbin, see that thread? It'll like unwrap because they're hitting each other. And I haven't built my own holder yet where I can hold each bobbin on the wall. I'm working on that. The videos to come soon, okay? But I was like, man, let me try it. Let me order these. They're not very expensive. I spent like $7 for maybe 20, 25 of them. And I got it. I wound the bobbin, and then I put the clamp on. And I rotate the clamp around to cover that little pigtail thread right there. And it's secure. I was like, oh man, that's so amazing. Look at that. Man, that is awesome. I love that. So I started winding bobbins. I'm like, man, I started overloading on winding bobbins. This is a great product, okay? So out of 5 needles, I'll give it 4 needles because nothing's perfect, all right? Other than my brother, PQ 1500 SL, okay? We'll get into that review later. Great product. So if you're looking at something to clamp your bobbins or keep your bobbins from getting crazy, making bird nests in your storage area, get these clamps. These clamps I advise you to get. They're a really great product, and I support that. That's really awesome. I mean, I'm new to it. I'm sure people have had these for years, but I haven't, okay? And I love it, all right? So bobbin clamps, all right? 24 bobbin, yeah, there's 24 bobbin clamps, all right, that came. I spent like $7. Awesome product. Get it, all right? If you're having an issue with that, get these. I advise you get them. Not that I'm an expert, but, you know, I'm like a butcher shop dog. If it works for me, I'm staying with it, okay? So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.